Short on time? You got this. The cordless Black & Decker Power Series Extreme holds up to its name. Its triple cleaning system tackles dirt, dust, and debris across tile, hardwood, and carpet. With extreme hair pickup from an anti-tangle brush bar. 3 cleaning features, 1 extreme performance. The Black & Decker Power Series Extreme with triple cleaning system.
You know where it hides. And it keeps piling up. But its hiding days are over. Eliminate the mess with the new Dustbuster Advanced Clean Plus. It's equipped with an extra long crevice tool for hard-to-reach places, making cleaning in tight spaces a breeze. Cordless, powerful, versatile. With a one-touch, easy empty dustbin, you'll tackle messes in record time. Go the extra length with the Black & Decker Dustbuster Advanced Clean Plus. Black & Decker. It's there in plain sight. No matter how much you brush them, wherever they go, they leave a trail. But there's a solution. The Dustbuster Advanced Clean Plus with pet attachment makes pet hair vanish. But that's not all. Easily remove the pet attachment, and this versatile dustbuster now cleans in tight spaces, so nothing is out of reach. And with a one-touch, easy empty dustbin, you'll finish in record time. The Dustbuster Advanced Clean Plus, for those who love their pets and a clean home. Black & Decker.